Hi everyone, I hope we are doing phenomenally well. Today I'm going to be going on a self-concept rampage. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, or if you would like to join my collective coaching program, all of the information will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can just go on ritakaminski.com and all of the information will be provided there as well. You are the ultimate creator. Whenever you think of something, it manifests into your reality instantly, without you having to do any of the work, without you having to watch 500 YouTube videos or one YouTube video. You know from this point on that you never have to do any research again, because you know that it all starts and ends with your mind. So whenever you see that cute boy, or you want him to text you, or you see that cute Prada bag, or you want to go to London tomorrow, you know that you can snap your fingers and it will happen by the grace of law of assumption and by the grace of how powerful you are. You are a master manifester. Whatever you want will defy all odds to make its way to you, whether one person or one situation or 1,000 to infinity and beyond bitch people or situations that have to move in order to get you your desire instantly. It will happen. It isn't going to be logical. It will have no explanation. There will be no timeline, there will be no storyline, there will be no logical reasoning at all, and it will still happen because you are a master manifester. And as soon as you decide that you get something, you get it, because everyone was born with this specific power. Everyone can utilize law of assumption and be master manifestors without having to break their backs doing techniques or having to do anything else but to simply decide that they are the operant power of their reality. You know you're that bitch, you know you're that guy, you know you're that queen, you know you're that king, you know that you're worthy of everything and then some. You don't even have to think of what you want. Everything just comes to you because you are that girl, you are that boy, you are that woman, you are that man. You were born with a precious, unique, amazing soul, and you can't undo that. Your soul is always going to be here. Your soul is pure. There is nothing that you need to do or change. Your soul does not change after you do all of these manifestation techniques. Your soul will simply just stay the same because your soul is at its purest form and it will always be at your purest form. It is your higher self. You are your higher self now, and you have to know that your soul is absolutely worthy of everything, and it just automatically happens. So the way that you were born is unchanged, right? There is nothing else that you need to do. You are just worthy now, just like you're worthy of eating food, of drinking water, of having conversations, of walking outside, of experiencing all of the pleasures of life. Who gets to decide what your limit is to your pleasures? You were put on this earth to be happy and to expand, and that's exactly what you are doing because you are an operant power. You are the creator. God made you in his likeness, and he wants you and expects you, and you were created to create. The creator created you to create. Everything that you do is perfect. There is no embarrassing moments. There are no stuff ups. You have never made a mistake in your life. Everyone that you've said sorry to, take it back right now, because you are the perfect one and everyone else has something wrong with them because they are not you. They do not know your story, your personality, your soul, you, your heart, your intentions, and your intentions are pure because your soul is pure. You are the type of person that is watching this video. You are on your highest timeline because our energies are a match for each other. You always know exactly what to do, where to go, what to say, how to dress, everything, because you are perfect. Your body is perfect, your skin is perfect, your face is perfect, your personality is perfect. The way that you laugh is perfect, the way that you talk is perfect, the way that you walk is perfect, your opinions are perfect, your wants are perfect, your needs are perfect, your relationships with people are perfect. Every single second of your life is perfect. Your life is easy and perfect because you are perfect. You have no flaws, and that includes your manifestation capabilities. You know exactly what to do at the exact same time because it's you. There is no one else like you. You are a one of one. You bring unique qualities that this world wants. You were put on this planet for a reason. You were made perfectly the way that you are for this world. There is something that you need to give the world with your perfectness, with the specific qualities that you were born with. So there are no qualities that you need to replicate. You do not need to be like someone else. You do not need to try to be better because you already are better. And not only are you better, you are just perfect. You are absolutely perfect the way that you are. So anything that comes into your mind to say or do is absolutely perfect because it is coming from your soul. There are absolutely no mistakes. You are in the right, perfect timeline. You are exactly at the right place at the right time, and you are absolutely doing amazing, sweetie. You have a perfect self-concept, and you deserve it all. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!